you are into the law of attraction and living a positive life and keeping it cool and keeping your vibrations high, I have 2 law of attraction books that you must read. Hi everyone, I'm Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, hey, how you doing, and welcome. If this is not your first time here and you've been to my channel before, so you've seen my previous videos or my future videos and just landed on this video, well, hey, how you doing, and welcome back. The 2 books that you must read is actually written by the same person, Gabrielle Bernstein, also known as Gabby Bernstein. All over the media and social media, she calls herself Gabby Bernstein, so I'm gonna call her Gabby Bernstein. Who is Gabby Bernstein and why must you read her books? First off, she is a life coach and a motivational speaker. She is all over the media and social media. She's been a guest on Oprah's Super Soul Sunday and she's a regular guest on Dr. Oz show. She is New York Times best-selling author. She's written 7 books. She's currently working on her 8th book right now. Everything that I just told you, I learned about her after first finding her here on YouTube. Now, I don't know if this is where it all started for her as far as having any kind of media outlet or creating content, but I know this, that I was guided to find her because her books have changed my life. Like I said, this woman is a New York Times best-selling author. She's written 7 books, but I've only read 2 of them. I just ordered another one of her books called Judgment Detox. So looking forward to reading that book. But the 2 books that I have read that you must read are Super Attractor and The Universe Has Your Back. Let's talk about Super Attractor because 1, it is her most recent published book, and 2, because I just want to. Alright, so I'm going to read basically the front, I guess, overview of the book. In Super Attractor, Gabrielle Bernstein lays out the essential methods for manifesting a life beyond your wildest dreams. This book is a journey of remembering where your true power lies. You'll learn how to co-create the life you want. You'll accept that life can flow, that attracting is fun, and that you don't have to work so hard to get what you want. Most importantly, you'll feel good. And when you feel good, you give off a presence of joy that elevates everyone around you. Super Attractor is a manifesto for confidently claiming your desires. In these pages, you'll learn how to do less and attract more. Relax and trust what you desire is on the way. Know that spiritual guidance is available to you at all times. And feel the sense of awe each day as you witness miracles unfold. Love this book, y'all. It is just a couple hundred pages of, is it a couple hundred? Is it even 200 pages? It is 210, it is 2, nope, that's not even 2. It is 205 pages of just pure goodness. The methods that she teaches in this book are easy to do and easy to follow. One of my favorite methods is the choose again method. Now, without getting into too much detail of what the choose again method is, because I want you guys to pick up your own copy and read this entire book from front to back. The choose again method is basically when you notice when you're having a negative thought, then you have the choice to choose a positive one. Obviously, she goes into more depth of how to utilize the choose again method, but that is one of my favorite methods that she teaches in this book. One of the chapters that really resonated with me was chapter 4, which is titled Have Fun Along the Way. When I started filming YouTube videos, I was so concerned with the outcomes and my expectations and what I was going to gain from YouTube and what YouTube was going to give me. But after reading this chapter, I was like, you know what? Let go of the outcomes, let go of the expectations. My plans doesn't necessarily mean it's the best plan, that the universe has better plans for me, or the universe has greater plans for me. And so my only job is to be present, be in the moment, and to just have fun. Yeah, have fun. I love this book. The universe has your back. Transform fear to faith. Basically, in this book, she gives you a universal lesson and then steps or practices to utilize that lesson. One of my favorite lessons in this book is obstacles are detours in the right direction. I know that sometimes you, me, we humans, we just get so many barriers and so many walls and so many mountains, and we start questioning ourselves like, damn, is this not the path I'm supposed to be on? Like, am I supposed to be doing something completely different? But sometimes those walls and barriers and mountains are not necessarily obstacles, but it is just guiding you to the right path. I'm not even doing like this chapter's justice. Like, I need you to read this book for yourself, for you to fully understand like the obstacles that are in your way. But it is just something that kind of also sits with me because, you know, when you're just doing your own thing, you're just hitting like wall, 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 you start to feel discouraged, I guess. Like, it's just not working out. But reading this chapter and then utilizing the lesson, the steps, I should say, sorry, it just kind of helps you tackle those walls and mountains and barriers and see it as guidance. But that is just one universal lesson. There are so many more universal lessons in this book. Another one is universal lesson: you must be willing to shed old patterns and embrace a new way of being. I'm not gonna go into details of what that lesson is because I really want you guys to get this book. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored at all, but if you feel like I am pushing this sale, I'm pushing you to buy this book, it is because I really love these books. They are life changing. They have helped me really understand how the universe works and how I can be aligned with the universe all the time. Now, I will say that I'm not, you know, super positive, happy all the time, but that's what these books are for, to help me be aware of my feelings, and so I can get realigned with love and realigned with the universe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me today. If you want to hang out with me on a weekly basis, then click the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. So till then, have a beautiful day and a beautiful week.